Hey guys, I have the Hypertherm Powermax 45XP and I wanted to show you how to change your consumables on the torch. Okay, first thing we'll take off is our shield. And then you got your retaining cap, that's your shield here. Now you got your retaining cap, take it off. And you have your nozzle, that's your nozzle that comes out of it, so it goes up in here. This is your electrode and your swirl ring just slides out. Swirl ring is still good. I'm going to replace the electrode and the nozzle, and I'll put my retaining cap back on. Okay, and then you want to put your shield on, and that's it. Now you got your consumables changed, the ones that needed to be anyway, and we're good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe.